What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be redoing an unboxing video that I did earlier today. It's not really going to be an unboxing anymore because all the stuff is already out of its packaging. The reason I'm redoing it is because of a mix-up. My understanding of what it was that I was unboxing was wrong. So a couple of months ago, I was having just some general conversations with a gentleman named Herakras on Instagram. Nice guy. We just kind of chatted up like I do with a lot of you guys. And it was right around the time of Jeff's birthday, and I had sent him kind of a gag gift. By Jeff, I mean Jeff Goodenow. If you guys have been a part of my channel for a while, you'll know that Jeff is the gentleman who sends a lot of the really exotic, high-end knives for me to review. Really nice guy. Never asked for anything in return. Just cool. Everybody who's been a part of my channel for a while kind of knows who he is. And it was his birthday, and I sent him a gag gift, a Rainbow Lady of the Sea of his own, and then he also received a Dolica from Kiefer, who's another person who's been interacting with us a lot. You know, it's kind of funny. And this gentleman, Herakras, said, you know, I want to send a package, and I've got some stuff in there for Jeff for his birthday. And I was like, okay, cool. You know, that was nice. And he said, one of the spinners in there is for you. So I knew that we were getting a couple of fidget spinners, and I have one right here. Jeff and I both received that. Thank you very much, Herakras. I appreciate that. Now, this is the only part of the unboxing that I got right. And the reason I'm leading into this slowly is because the embarrassing part about this is I accidentally assumed that everything else in the box was for me, and it wasn't actually. It was for Jeff. I did the whole video. I unboxed everything, and then I messaged Herakras, and I was like, "Dude, thanks so much, man. That's so nice. You don't have to do that." And he was like, "Whoa, Complex. The only thing that was for you was the fidget spinner. Everything else is for Jeff." So you could imagine the utter shame and embarrassment that washed over me at that point. I had, you know, it was a humbling moment because I was like, of course. Why would this stuff be for me? It was for Jeff. He sent it to me so I could unbox it and then send it to Jeff. And he had actually said that in the in the conversation. So it was just a case of me not comprehending everything correctly. So I'm going to show you the other stuff here that is actually for Jeff. But first, I want to apologize. I've talked to the Herakras, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. I'm so sorry. I will make sure that Jeff gets his gifts, absolutely. And I've talked to Jeff. Jeff had a good laugh about that too, so everybody knows. But I just want to say sorry about that again, Herakras. My apologies. You know, I always talk about like, hey, you know, I appreciate infinitely the people who want to give me gifts. That's so nice. And I think the general flow here in the last few weeks of, you know, I had some other some other viewers send me gifts. I think I got caught up in that flow, and I didn't stop to think, you know, obviously, not everything that's sent is meant for me. So great ego check, actually. Maybe I actually needed that. So here was the first gift in the box besides the fidget spinner. This is a Mora knife, 1095. I don't know the exact model of it, but this is the high carbon. I don't know if it's actually 1085, but it's the carbon model. Beautiful, awesome working knife. Awesome. I might have to pick one of those up for myself. That's really, really cool. I love the stock thickness on this guy and the grind. It's just a perfect work knife. I think Jeff will be able to put that to good use. And then here's the other big boy. Nobody will ever see the original unboxing video because it is maximum cringe. Just maximum cringe. You know, I mean, I would have had to like subtitle it, and you guys would have had to experience my enthusiasm all the while knowing, like, you know, he doesn't realize yet that these aren't for him. So this is the other one. This is an Ontario knife company. The folks who make the Rat and Rat 1 Raider Bowie fixed blade. Holy moly. Look at the size of that. I'm sure you guys can imagine me unboxing this for the first time. You know, the combination of just the vastness of this knife and me thinking, that it was for me. I'm trying to laugh at myself here. It's embarrassing enough But I want full transparency. I want everybody to know exactly what happened with this. So that's why I'm redoing it and talking about it. But you could imagine my enthusiasm there. I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool, you know? And it is. But Jeff's the one who's going to be enjoying this knife. So happy late birthday, Jeff. From Heracra's, I am just acting as the vessel for you viewing your gifts. I might go ahead and get a short little review on each of these while I have them. That is, if this more is different than the ones that I reviewed a while ago. But in any case, like I said, happy birthday, Jeff. Heracra, sorry again for the mix-up. You are, truly a generous guy, and that was a really, really nice thing to do. That's awesome. That's going to be pretty much it for this re-unboxing, I guess. If you guys found this video humorous or entertaining or enjoyed it in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe to my channel, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.